Hello everyone.
It hasn't tightened up yet. It's being big.
Brazil's flash flood swept a house away, yet miraculously the person inside made it out at the last possible moment. Yellowstone National Park visitors were stunned after a hydrothermal explosion tore through the earth, creating this dramatic scene. Experience the awe-inspiring Murchison Falls in Uganda with Wild Step Safaris, embarking on an unforgettable expedition to witness its magnificent power. A massive landslide in Karet Fjord, Greenland, sent huge boulders crashing into the sea, creating a devastating tsunami with waves reaching up to 100 meters in an instant. Severe floods and landslides in Indonesia caused a major road to collapse, stopping traffic and leaving people stranded. This optical effect isn't fake. It could be the result of ball lightning generating a massive 5 million volts. In a terrifying incident in Jalna, India, a short circuit in underground high-voltage cables produced enough heat to melt the surrounding ground material. The earthquake turned the streets of Malatya into a scene of panic, with buildings crashing down as people desperately fled the danger. After lightning slammed into a tree deep in the rainforest, it suddenly lit up like a fiery beacon, glowing blue and orange as the gases inside caught fire. A Swiss alpine village was overwhelmed when heavy rain unleashed a huge mudslide that rushed down a dried stream, flooded the streets, and destroyed everything in its path.
He did. Oh, what the? Wait a minute. He's pulling it. What?
A powerful landslide struck Sapa after non-stop rain, burying a vehicle under mud and debris before dragging it down the mountainside.
¡Colapsó!
With tremendous force, a tornado tore through Nghae-an, sending rooftops flying and leaving heavy destruction across the region. Watch the heart-stopping moment the famous glacier bridge at Perito Moreno cracks, gives way, and collapses with incredible force. The view from a shopping center reveals the terrifying scale of Japan's 2011 tsunami as raging water floods the city and tears everything apart.
Tiger shark! Tiger shark ran me.
It looks like a...
If these incredible scenes from nature amazed you, show your support with a like and subscribe for more.
Le soleil est là-bas, alors qu'il est là, quelque part dans la neige.
No! Holy no! Oh! Oh! Oh, that's a wave. Oh, that's a wave. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Imagine driving through a quiet Russian valley and suddenly finding a gigantic rock, almost as big as a car, blocking your way. In May 2024, powerful floods overwhelmed a village beside the river in Pakistan, destroying homes and leaving entire families empty-handed. Seconds made all the difference as a tornado suddenly tore through the backyard right after the family brought their dog indoors. This unbelievable footage from Nigeria shows rain falling heavily on just half the street, while only a few steps away, the ground remains completely dry.
Oh my God! Oh, what the?
Panic is swept across communities in the Philippines when a 7.0 magnitude earthquake struck on September 30th, 2025, leaving residents shocked and afraid.
Oh! My God. Yeah.
A normal meal turned terrifying in seconds as the wind god swept into a restaurant in Hainan, scattering diners and sending everything into chaos. Toronto watched in awe as the sky dimmed into an eerie twilight during the total solar eclipse, revealing the sun's corona in one breathtaking display. As the earthquake tore through Mandalay, scenes like this unfolded across the city, leaving entire neighborhoods dangerously close to total ruin. The glowing green water at Goldstream Park looked like something from another world, yet it was simply caused by fluorescent, a safe testing dye. The calm atmosphere at a Novosibirsk beach vanished in seconds when a fierce hailstorm erupted, forcing beachgoers to run for safety. The sky over Otmoor, England, comes alive as thousands of starlings move as one, forming a dazzling wave of motion that is both gorgeous and strategic. India's mountainside collapsed in a landslide, burying construction works under mud, rocks, and debris. Tourists came to the Bahamas for sunshine and beaches, but got a front row view of a SpaceX rocket lighting up the sky instead.
In one spot, though?
That's the biggest I've ever seen in my life.
This strange brown blanket covering the water isn't pollution. It's sargassum, a huge mass of seaweed drifting freely across the Atlantic Ocean.
Oh my god. Ew, it looks nasty though. Thank you.
Yo, what the
Ew. Ew.
Without warning, the mountainside in Tennessee's Ocoee Gorge came crashing down, sending rocks and earth roaring across the highway, while witnesses stood only feet away.
The road, now we have no road. The mountain has came off. It's just unreal what come off. It's just awesome.
Oh, get out! I gotta leave! It's for me! Oh, fuck! Brace yourself! Oh, she's going.
Onlookers stood frozen as the rare Lipad mud volcano erupted in Malaysia, spewing a powerful burst of mud across the surrounding landscape. Workers narrowly escaped disaster when a landslide struck a mineral mine in Myanmar, unleashing huge waves that rushed dangerously close to them. This river in Queensland did not catch fire by accident. A politician deliberately lit escaping methane to highlight the environmental concerns surrounding coal seam gas fracking.
A peaceful family evening in Cordoba, Argentina, was suddenly shattered by a huge lightning strike and an earth-shaking thunderclap.